December 2025. You're scrolling again. Your bank account looks like a joke. Your dreams are on life support, and you're about to close this video. Don't. The next 10 minutes can literally change the rest of your life. Stay with me. 3 years ago, I was exactly where you are right now. 26 years old, $37 in my account, sleeping on a friend's couch, $47,000 in debt. I remember waking up on January 1st, 2023 thinking, if nothing changes, nothing changes. That sentence hit me so hard I almost threw up. So I made a decision that day. And today I make more in a month than I used to make in a year. No rich parents, no lottery, no bullshit. Let me be completely honest with you. No one is coming to save you. Your parents can't. The government won't. Your friends definitely won't. 2025 won't be any better than 2024. The economy is in crisis. Artificial intelligence is taking away jobs. People's attention spans are gone. If you keep doing what you've always done, you're done. But there's good news. The same chaos that's destroying ordinary people is creating millionaires faster than ever before. The question is, will you be one of them or one of the victims? There are only 3 things that separate broke people from rich people in 2025. 1, they take full ownership, no excuses. 2, they obsess over one skill until they're top 5% 3. They sell that skill relentlessly. That's it. Everything else is noise. Month 1 to 3, the pain period. Delete all social apps except YouTube and Reddit, learning only. Pick one high-income skill, copywriting, video editing, sales, coding, ad buying. Choose by February 1st. Study 4 hours every single day, no weekends. Track every hour in a notebook. If you skip a day, you start over. Month 4 to 6, the ugly period. Start doing the skill for free or $100 jobs on Upwork/Fiverr/X. Collect testimonials like a psycho. Build a portfolio that makes people say, holy shit. Month 7 to 9, the momentum period. Raise prices 3 to 5 times. Post every single day on Xstars, TikTok, IG, showing your work and results. Cold DM 50 people a day who need exactly what you do. Month 10 to 12, the freedom period. You now have clients paying you $3,000 to $15,000 each. Hire a cheap VA from Philippines for $500 a month to do the boring stuff. Keep 20% of income. Reinvest 80% into ads, tools, mentors. If you actually do this, not just watch and nod, you will be financially free before 2027. I've seen it 47 times with my own eyes with students who followed this exact playbook. Right now, there are 2 versions of you. The one who closes this video and keeps scrolling dies broke, bitter, and full of regrets. The one who pauses this video right now, grabs a pen, and writes down the skill he's starting tomorrow, becomes the success story people watch in 2028. Which one are you? Here's what I want you to do right now. 1, write in the comments about one skill you plan to master by 2025. 2, take a screenshot of this video and set it as your phone wallpaper. 3, turn off your phone and spend 1 hour learning tonight. I will check the comments. I wish those who actually write about their skill success and that their dream comes true. No strings attached. 2025 isn't just another year. It's your last chance to stop being average. I believe in you, but more importantly, you have to believe in yourself. Come on, buddy. Let's go.